Hello everyone, welcome to a new day of Built in Public. Today we're going to analyze a post that was sent to me from one of our customers in France to illustrate sometimes the lack of I will not say intelligence, but smartness of people who are on on social media. So my customer has a a group on Nextdoor where he's publishing few times a week some posts, and his group is dedicated to sharing activities that are both sports activities, cultural activities in Paris. So he wants to keep potential customers informed of what to do and where to go and all this type of stuff. And he's monitoring the publication on his group, but people it does Nextdoor does not allow an advanced monitoring and control of the group. So basically, since he did not close it to have a larger audience, people can see all his posts. He did not protect it with invite-only configuration. So Nextdoor has only two options for groups. It's either everyone can see and anybody can join, pending its approval from the owner, and actually people who are even not part of the group can post. And even if they are part of the group, they can post, and there is no prior moderation to sending the publication on the group. The other one is invite only, and at least there is a way to control who's joining. But then the group is not accessible from outside, cannot seen. The publications cannot be seen from outside unless you are part of the group. So it's closed. And as usual, when there is not enough capacity for moderation on the groups, people feel allowed, entitled to post whatever they want. And what is most annoying is when the posts are not related to the topic of the group. So he has to do regular checks and cleanup by parasite posting. Some are, let's say, not problematic, but most of the time off topic. It's unpleasant. It's like somebody entering your backyard and playing nonsense while the backyard is dedicated to a specific activity. So here is the example of a profile who decided that my customers group is and friend is the best way to advertise some kind of good deals. Let's say bedroom linens for sale. But even having done that, that person is not even bright, because okay, he shared some more or less nice pictures, which are actually not so good, because there are pictures of plastic bags with the bed sheets. That's the package of what he's trying to promoting. So the worst part of it is the following. Even if people would get interested in what he has to offer, there's no link, there's no direct link to go and purchase or to go and visit, and there's no prices. So this is the type of interaction and publication that will have actually, for the time they will stay online, because my friend will delete them because they are out of topic. But even then, if they got some nice coverage, people won't go, will not have the mean to go and see the prices. Prices are not displayed. So how How is it inviting? Based on these pictures, there's no real commercial intent, aside from the fact that on the first line they are talking about reduced prices or stock, emptying the stocks. Anyway, just an example among so many others that people should have better education, not only on etiquette and respecting the others, but also to have a proper commercial message to to in regard to what they are promoting. If I visit the profile of that person, he will have probably not even a good profile depiction. There's the banner here missing. Here he could do so many other details which he has not. Apparently in Ivory Coast, that's in French, and then he's posting most of the time always the same, so people get bored. It's always the same, always the same, always the same, so repeating itself ever and ever. So please, if you want to do this type of publication, make it in a smart way. Don't spam anybody, and don't post where you're not supposed to. If I were that person and I would have something to sell, then I would create my own group and I would dedicate and specialize my group about this type of cosmetic things. And yeah, I would gather an audience around my products, and I would not advertise it in other groups that have actually nothing to do with that. So if you agree with me, or if not, you can tell me in the comments. If you like that video, give it a like, subscribe for more videos in the future, and if you need some help, we are here to assist you. If your company needs some automation on Nextdoor, we are specialized in that. Link to our website is in the description, and I wish you a pleasant day wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.